Here we have the Favoto motorcycle waterproof cover for motorcycles in different sizes. This one I bought for my sport bike that I own and I keep outdoors. And what I like about it is that it's waterproof. What I like is it's this bright, shiny gray color for visibility, especially at night, along with reflectors that are on the cover. Because already somebody had ran into my motorcycle at night because they couldn't see it. So with this cover, this will make it more visible. Another thing that I like too about it is that it has two fasteners that connect on the front of the bike and also on the rear of the bike, along with elastic material, so that way it stays taut around the bottom of the motorcycle. One of the things I noticed that I don't like is that it stays wrinkled. So it gets kind of wrinkled when you pull it out of the bag, and over time it'll actually unwrinkle itself, but at first it was really wrinkly. It comes with this nifty little pouch. Surprisingly, it fits in here. Another reason why I bought this cover is not only because it's water resistant, it has reflectors on there, along with the colors. The color's a light color so it can be seen at night. The motorcycle stays dry from the material. It also has the anti-theft hole, which is about 1.25 inches in diameter. So that way you can get a lock and chain in there. The reinforced stitching that's on the cover, it makes it waterproof, so the water doesn't go through the seam. It's a good idea to let your motorcycle cool down first before you put the cover on. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.